This recipe came out delicious. Cut your cabbage like that. Put it aside on a big bowl. Add olive oil on a pan. Add 2 medium-sized potatoes cut in small pieces. Add ground beef. Mix it until you get a good color on your meat. Add red pepper and green pepper. Add grated carrots. Mix everything. Now add your cabbage and mix it again. Cover your pan and let it cook it on low. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add Try My Chow Brazilian style Creole seasoning. Mix everything. Remove it from the fire and set it aside. Now let's make the wet mix. In a separate bowl add eggs. Mix it. Add whole milk. Add heavy cream. Add oil. Add minced garlic. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add Try My Chow's Brazilian style Creole seasoning. Add all-purpose flour to the mix. Mix everything. Add cilantro to your taste and mix it again. Add olive oil to a baking dish and spread the oil like that. Add all the mix in the baking dish and spread it even like that. Now add your wet mix on the top. Add mozzarella cheese. Add oregano to your taste. Bring it into the oven. To get the full description recipe, just send us an email with subject, ground beef cabbage recipe to trymychow@gmail.com.